Hello, my name is Giselle and welcome to Music Foundation Level 2. Today I will be going over major chords. We're only going to be focusing on the first, third, and fifth degree. So the first three notes in C major chord is C, E, and G. And when we play a chord, we play all those three notes at the same time. Now just focusing on the keyboard, we're going to shift from C, our thumb's going to move up to D. Our next chord is our D chord, D, F sharp, and A. I'm going to shift again from D, our thumb moving up to E. Our E major chord is E, G sharp, and B. I'm going to move that thumb up one more time. F, A, and C makes up our F chord. Moving my thumb up. What makes up a G chord is G, B, and D. From A, what makes up an A chord is A, C sharp, and E. And last but not least is our B chord, which I like to say, focus on the two black keys here, B, D sharp, and F sharp. To learn this faster, our three white chord keys are C, F, and G. All the other chords had at least one black key or two black keys like B. Now to play all the chords, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. That would be all for today. Please subscribe and have a great day.